Are you a Jamaican?
Born Jamaican. Born, yeah.
You know the national pledge?
You mean?
Say peace, aye.
I don't know where it goes. Eternal Father, blessed. Simple as that, man. Big up on yourself, isn't it?
Alright.
Praise of the people. For the people, isn't it? Big up yourself.
Alright, thank you for your time. Are you a Jamaican?
I mean, me can show my birth paper, me not have farm still. But me a Jamaica.
You know the national pledge?
Oh, you mean? Oh, you go again. I just remember, you know.
Hold on. You know the national dish?
Yeah,
What that?
the blue man. I want to feel it.
It come like we have got to take back your papers, you know. We have to go deport you, man.
But Jamaica, my band still, let's see it. Raw band Jamaica, you know.
Anybody you like to big up?
Yeah, man, big up one squash down. I don't know, you know. Free squash bar, but me go kill Mali still. Oh,
Alright.
you know.
Are you a real Jamaican?
Jamaican first.
If you're a real Jamaican, can you recite the national pledge?
Never remember that. When I tell no lie. What's that?
You know the motto, right?
What are many one people?
What's the national dish?
I can't selfish.
Can you sing the national anthem?
Yeah, because I sing that, but I'm not gonna do that neither.
Yes, not a real Jamaican. Yes,
No, look here.
we are going to deport you.
Wait, as a Jamaican, remember them still in them. Now, I joke me I make when me say me no member. But me not gonna do the whole thing. I ain't gonna tell no lies.
We have got to take back your papers,
Nobody can take back this. Because you see, I'm dead. And God say, which part I go back all doing? Because I send me back, you know. I the part, me the part, make sure so I don't a Jamaica still, you know, God. Because you see, me not go back down a Jamaica. I don't think me can make it on this planet. You see me? So me gonna need to come back down to Jamaica. All when me dead and I come back. Any amount of life, then give me back round here, so a Jamaican.
Anybody you like to big up?
Big up the whole scenery. All of my family and friends them down here, so that we have big up everybody. Not a special people, you know? Yeah, I like that.
Thank you for your time. So I can catch. Yeah, people wanna like the video, see me, subscribe and see me. Yeah man, follow, like the video, comment in the comment section. Though.